The biting Antarctic wind whipped at Captain James Cook's beard, frosting the tips with icy crystals. His ship, the HMS Resolution, creaked and groaned, a testament to the relentless power of the Southern Ocean. Cook, however, was undeterred. Cook stands on the deck addressing his assembled crew. The camera, a marvel of 18th century engineering, rolls. Captain Cook, for too long we've subsisted on hardtack and salted beef, I say. Let us embrace the bounty of this icy wilderness. He gestures dramatically at a massive iceberg, gleaming turquoise in the pale sunlight. Captain Cook, from that, my lads, we shall extract the purest water, the foundation of our frozen delight. Montage of sailors hacking chunks of ice from the iceberg with axes. The scene sped up and set to jaunty sea shanties. Cook stands next to his special contraption, the chili Willy, a copper pot nestled inside a larger wooden barrel packed with salt and ice. Captain Cook. Now the secret is in the ingredients, and thankfully we've brought a few along. He holds up a small wax-sealed container. Captain Cook. First, the base, a mixture of thickened cream and milk. We've been saving this for a special occasion, and what's more special than the first ever Antarctic Frozen Yogurt? Next, he produces a jar of preserved berries. Captain Cook, these, my friends, are Antarctic blueberries. Well, they're actually just regular blueberries, but we've pretended they're Antarctic to boost morale. He winks at the camera. Captain Cook. And finally, a touch of sweetness, a blend of honey and a little bit of sugar. We wouldn't want it too sweet now, would we? Got to maintain that manly explorer physique. Cook demonstrates the recipe, following the steps provided. Narrator VO, Captain Cook's Antarctic Frozen Yogurt Recipe, 1773 edition. Ingredients: 2 cups thickened cream, 1 cup sugar, ½ cup honey, 1 cup preserved or regular blueberries. Pinch of salt. Ice from a conveniently located iceberg. Instructions: melt the ice in a separate pot and strain it through a clean cloth to remove any impurities and the occasional penguin feather. In a large bowl, combine the cream, milk, sugar, honey, and a pinch of salt. Stir vigorously until the sugar and honey are dissolved. Pour the mixture into the copper pot of the chili Willy. Crank the handle of the chili Willy, a complex series of gears and pulleys, for approximately 30 minutes, or until the mixture begins to thicken. Be prepared for some vigorous cranking. Add the blueberries, and continue cranking for another 10 minutes, or until the frozen yogurt reaches a desired consistency. It should resemble soft-serve ice cream. Serve immediately and enjoy the fruits and ice of your labor. Captain Cook. And there you have it, Antarctic Frozen Yogurt, a taste of civilization in the heart of the frozen South. Now, if you'll excuse me, I hear a penguin calling my name. He winks at the camera again and takes a large bite of his creation. The crew cheers, finally enjoying a treat that wasn't hardtack. Narrator, though the video, though flickering and grainy, became a legend amongst sailors, inspiring generations to come, though no one ever quite replicated Cook's chili Willy.